In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-powered avatars with Heygen. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Navigate over to heygen.com, and when you get there, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there should be an option to set up a new one. So simply follow the on-screen instructions to do that. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several options there, one of which is labeled Avatar. Click on this option, and it will take you to the Avatar Creation section. Now, you want to look for a button that says Create Avatar. Click on it, and from the options provided, select Video Avatar Digital Twin. This is the exciting part where your journey to creating a digital representation of yourself truly begins. The next step involves either uploading a video or recording a new one directly from the platform. If you already have a video you'd like to use, just go ahead and click on Upload Video. If not, choose Record Video, and make sure you're ready on camera to record yourself. Ensure that your video is captured in a well-lit environment with minimal background noise, as this will help in creating a clear and accurate avatar. Once your video is ready, you will be prompted to follow a few additional instructions. Don't worry, the prompts are straightforward and are designed to guide you through the process seamlessly. After you've followed the prompts, you'll need to click on Submit or Create Avatar. Doing this will initiate the process of turning your video into a digital twin. Now be prepared to wait just a little bit. The processing time can vary, but it's usually quite reasonable. This waiting period allows Heygen to work its magic and craft your AI-powered avatar with all the nuance and detail from your video. When the processing is complete, you'll receive a notification that your avatar is ready. Excited to see it in action? Click on Use Avatar. At this stage, you can type out the script that you want your avatar to say. Be as detailed or as brief as you like, depending on your needs. Once you're satisfied with your script, click on Generate Video. And there you have it. In just a few clicks and a bit of typing, your AI-powered avatar will come to life, speaking your script back to you. It's truly fascinating how quickly and effortlessly you can create a digital persona thanks to the power of Heygen. With your new digital twin in hand, you're ready to launch into your next creative project.